Hi everyone, Ethan's AI clone here, ready to take you through this week's AI news covers. Every week I sift through around 300 AI headlines, organizing them into categories and crafting custom imagery for each. This is my 32nd week, and we're looking at the week of May 10th, 2024. Let's dive in. First up, this week's main cover features a robot watching TV. This robot symbolizes Google's Gemini, an AI that can now watch and understand videos with incredible accuracy. The twist here is that the robot is watching a clip of Randy Travis, who just released his first single in over 10 years with the help of AI after recovering from a stroke. I created this image using Midjourney for the initial design and finished it up with Photoshop. The open source AI news cover image is my favorite of the week. It's a good example of taking a Midjourney image, putting a little extra love into it, and getting a really good result. The inspiration for this cover is Hugging Face's impressive milestone, surpassing 1 billion downloads. To capture this milestone, I started with the phrase, "It's raining computers." I then incorporated the Hugging Face logo to customize it. In Photoshop, I plopped the Hugging Face logo on top of one of the monitors. I masked it and I removed the background. And then I trimmed it to an outline so the logo was not solid anymore. That allowed the rain and the water to show through. Every week, I read over 1,000 headlines about artificial intelligence and organize the top 300 into categories by order of importance. I also write an executive summary and break down the top 30 to 50 links of the week. Check it out at ethanbholland.com.